Today we have an extra special episode for you. I was sitting inside thinking, I wish I was outside rolling around on my driveway, freezing my ass off. So I decided to come out here and fix the wheel bearing that went out. Today we're going to be replacing the rear passenger side wheel bearing. While the customer sits inside a nice heated house right now without a single care in the world, I'll be out here rolling around on a dirty driveway, freezing my ass clean off. I'm going to loosen up these lug nuts first. Just loosen them, don't take them all off. Okay, now we're going to jack it up. Now let's take off the remainder of the lug nuts. Pro tip, I like to place the tire down. Now you can use it for a little chair. So now it's time to take off the brake caliper. There's 2 bolts for the brake caliper back here, one on the top and one on the bottom. They're both 15 millimeters. Now that we have that off, it's time to take the caliper off. If your parking brake is on, it'll keep tension on the brake and you won't be able to pull this off. Now you have it off, you want to put it off to the side here, somewhere you know it's not going to go fall. Now we need to take off the rotor. Let's remove the rotor. See if you can hear the noise it's making. Well, it's not supposed to make that noise. So we need to replace this, and this is all one unit. In order to remove this spindle, there are 4 15 millimeter bolts behind here. Oh, there's 1. There's 2. Oh man, these are on there really tight, guys. Oh, I think I'm in luck, guys. You are in luck. Let's support the front of it with this last bolt because it's going to come falling out. There's the old one. You can see it looks like it's seen better days. Let's not dwell on the past. Let's get out the new one. Now these are specific to each corner of your car. This is the rear passenger side. It's the same process for the driver's side, so if you want to do that, just watch this video in a mirror. It's time to put in our new wheel bearing. It's like it only fits one way. Installation is the reverse of removal. I'm going to start these off by hand. We're not going to tighten them all the way down with the impact. We're just going to get them in there and finish it off with a torque wrench. Torque specs for this are called for 3 ugga-duggas. So there we go. 1, 2. That's 3 ugga-duggas there. And now that you've applied all your ugga-duggas, let's put that rotor back on. But first, the obligatory test spin. And if you notice, there's no more grinding noises. Nice. I wish we could just do this all day long, but you know what? I want to go back inside. Ooh. You ever just want to come out and work out on cars on a weekend? And none of that fun stuff either. Not adding a supercharger or a turbo. Nope. We're replacing wheel bearings. How fun. All right. Replace the 2 brake caliper bolts. Just snug it up for now. We're going to tighten these to 2 ugga-duggas. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right. You know what that means, guys. It's time to put that tire back on. But first, take a second here to admire the work he just did. Spin it around, make sure everything works okay. Make sure you didn't do anything stupid, like put the brake pads in backwards. See, they put this note inside the new wheel bearing. If I could read, I guess I would know. I'd tell you guys what it said. That's how you change the rear passenger side wheel bearing on a 2013 Ford Edge. If you need to do this for the driver's side, just watch this video in a mirror. Thanks for watching. Join us next time when we'll fix whatever breaks on this piece of crap next. Bye bye guys.